Montana has this reputation online that kind of makes people pause. Not because of business formation, but because of cars. You've probably heard it. People setting up Montana LLCs to register vehicles and avoid sales tax. And yeah, that's a real thing. But here's the bigger question. Does Montana actually make sense for forming an LLC for your business? Because beyond that one headline, Montana is actually a pretty clean, straightforward state to work with. Low filing fee, simple structure, and yes, no statewide sales tax. So in this video, let's break it down properly. I'm going to walk you through how to start an LLC in Montana in 2026, what it costs, how compliance works, and whether this state is a smart choice for your situation. Hey, I'm Bobby Casey, founder of Business Anywhere. I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs, U.S. founders, expats, digital nomads, and non-U.S. residents form LLCs remotely without dealing with confusing state processes. And Montana is one of those states that gets attention for the wrong reasons, but still has real advantages. All right, before we get into Montana specifically, let's zoom out for a second. An LLC, limited liability company, is all about separation. It separates you from your business. If your business runs into debt or legal trouble, your personal assets are generally protected. That's the core benefit. And from a tax standpoint, LLCs are flexible. A single-member LLC is taxed like a sole proprietorship by default. A multi-member LLC is taxed like a partnership. And if it makes sense later, you can elect S-Corp taxation, so you get protection without corporate complexity. Now, let's shift to Montana. The filing fee to form an LLC in Montana is $70. That's paid to the Montana Secretary of State when you file your articles of organization. So up front, it's relatively low. And here's one of the standout features. Montana has no statewide sales tax. That's why you hear about people using Montana LLCs to register vehicles, especially high-value ones like RVs or luxury cars, because there's no sales tax at the state level. Now, quick reality check. That strategy comes with legal and compliance considerations depending on where you actually live, so it's not something you want to jump into without proper guidance. But it does highlight how Montana's tax structure can be attractive in certain scenarios. All right, so how do you actually form your Montana LLC? It starts with your name. Your LLC name must be distinguishable from other registered businesses in Montana, and it must include limited liability company, LLC, or LLC at the end. So it can't just be Big Sky Ventures, it needs to be Big Sky Ventures LLC. Before committing, search the Montana Business Database to confirm availability. If you're not ready to file yet, you can reserve your name for a period of time for a small fee. Once your name is sorted, let's talk about your registered agent. Every Montana LLC must have a registered agent with a physical street address in the state. No P.O. boxes. This is the person or company that receives legal documents and official notices on behalf of your business. If you live in Montana, you can act as your own registered agent, but your address becomes public record, and you need to be available during normal business hours. That's why many founders use a professional registered agent service. It keeps your information private and ensures nothing important gets missed. Now, moving forward to the official formation, you'll file your articles of organization with the Montana Secretary of State. The filing fee is $70. In that filing, you'll provide your LLC name, registered agent information, principal office address, and management structure, whether your LLC is member-managed or manager-managed. Once approved, your LLC is officially active. Now, even though Montana doesn't require you to file it with the state, you should absolutely create an operating agreement. This document outlines ownership, decision-making, profit distribution, and what happens if a member exits. Even if you're a single-member LLC, it strengthens your liability protection and makes your business look more legitimate to banks and partners. Next up, your EIN. Your employer identification number comes from the IRS, and it's completely free. You'll need it to open a U.S. business bank account, hire employees, and file federal taxes. If you're a U.S. resident with an SSN, you can apply online and get it quickly. If you're outside the U.S., the process takes a bit longer, but is still manageable. Now let's talk about compliance. Montana requires LLCs to file an annual report. There is a filing fee associated with that report, and it must be submitted each year to keep your business in good standing. Missing that deadline can result in penalties or administrative dissolution. So while Montana has a simple setup, you still need to stay on top of your yearly filings. Depending on your business activity, you may also need to register for state taxes or or obtain licenses. Montana doesn't have a general sales tax, but certain industries and local requirements may still apply. Finally, once your LLC is approved and you've received your EIN, open a dedicated business bank account. Do not mix personal and business funds. That's one of the fastest ways to weaken your liability protection. Banks will typically request your articles of organization, EIN confirmation letter, operating agreement, and valid identification. If you're operating remotely, you'll also need a legitimate U.S. business address. So let's recap. To start an LLC in Montana, choose a unique name and confirm availability. Appoint a registered agent with a Montana street address. File your articles of organization and pay the $70 state fee. Create an operating agreement. Obtain your EIN. Register for any required taxes or licenses. And file your annual report each year. Montana is simple, low-cost, and tax-friendly in certain ways, especially with no statewide sales tax. But like any state, it only makes sense if it aligns with how and where you actually operate. You can absolutely handle the process yourself, but if you'd rather skip the paperwork and compliance tracking, we can help. At Business Anywhere, we'll form your Montana LLC for free. You just pay the $70 state fee, and we include your first year of registered agent service at no extra cost. We'll also help with your EIN and send annual report reminders so nothing slips through the cracks. So I'm curious, are you considering Montana because of the no sales tax angle or for a different reason? Drop a comment and tell me what you're building, and I'll see you in the next one.